I need your love to free me. Oh Lord, my rock, my strength and weakness, come rescue me. Oh Lord, you are my hope, your promise never fails me, and my desire is to follow you forever. For you are good, for you are good, yes you are good to me. For you are good, for my Lord, so good. For you are good to me. For you are good, so good. For you are good, so good. For you my Lord, you're good to me. Good to your church, good to your sons. For you are good.